Hello and welcome back to the next video in called Linux command line tutorial. Today we will learn a new topic or new command which is very essential for us. Okay, in last video we learned about cp command. Cp command was stand for copying data files in directories from one location to another location. Okay, in today's lesson we will learn about mv command. Mv command is very interesting command. Okay, it is used for renaming and moving files in directories from one location to another location. Okay, we use mv command like this. Okay, mv some option or flags options. Okay, as well as our source and destination. It is the structure. Okay, sorry for destination. Okay, it's the structure of mv command. I will change my current location to desktop to show you a little good, or show you in GUI mode 2, and from this location I will change my location to show you. I will open desktop. Inside desktop we have only one folder, okay, and that contain one file. I will delete this file as well. Okay, and I'm going to create a new file. Okay, creating file you have learned in last videos. Okay, that we can create file by using cat command, file2.txt. okay, and I'm going to enter some numbers here. Okay, the numbers that we use here. Okay, and control D back. This is the file that we created. Okay, yeah, you can see it contains numbers. The file name is file2.txt. okay, the first usage of mv command that we can rename files in folders. I will first rename this file. It is file2. I am going to change it to file1.txt. file1.txt. okay, file1.txt. file2.txt. what it is the source, okay, and destination or the name that you want to change. file1.txt. I want to change this file2.txt to file1.txt. hit the enter button to see what happened here. Okay, now see the name of the file have been changed. Okay, I want to change the directory name. Okay, it's easy, mv. okay, change eb. okay, well, to aa. I'm going to change this eb name folder to aa. Just hit the enter button and see the folder names have been changed. Okay, I'm going to send this file or move this file inside this a directory. Okay, it's easy, not hard. And now come here, mv move your source file 1.txt. file1.txt. okay, this file1.txt in your destination aa. This is our source, and this the destination. Source and destination. And hit the enter button and see ls aa. See the file have been moved here. Okay, I will if you have multiple files, for example I will create file1.txt and file2.txt. they are the empty files. Okay, you can see here that they are empty. file1.txt, it is empty. Okay, this file1 is empty. You can see here it is empty. Okay, and this file has data, but the names are same. I want to move this file. I want to move this to file inside this a directory. It's completely easy. Yeah, come mv move. There are multiple source file1.txt, file1.txt, and file2.txt. okay, and now your destination. File 1, move file 1.txt in file 2.txt, file 2.txt. Oh sorry, I think here this E is not present. Okay, exists file 2.txt. What this command will do, okay, I will clear this and write this file 2.txt. It's in text format, okay, and I want to send it AA. This file 1 is already exists inside this A directory. It will overwrite it, okay, it will overwrite this file 1, okay. But if you don't want to overwrite it, okay, like cp command we use -i. -i is stand for interactive. It will ask for confirmation, okay. Just hit the enter button and see. It will ask me, okay, do you want to override this file 1.txt? Okay, if you press here yes or no, okay, if I press yes, okay, shortcut CY, okay, it will override. If I press no, it will not override, okay. I am pressing yeah, okay, this is file is empty, okay, yeah. Now see the file which are inside here, now it is empty too, okay. We learn about that it will overwrite. If I was typing no, it will not overwrite for me. I will create another file to show you file 1.txt, okay, and this time I'm going to write some random text, okay. They are the random text, and control D back. I want to move this file 1 to -i, okay, for interactive, and V for verbose to show what happened in the background. Now our source name file 1.txt, our destination. It will ask me move override. I'm telling yeah, okay, just override for me. Now see here, this file have been override. They are the random text that we added, okay. Don't save this file. The second usage of this that we can create, and I want to create a new folder which isn't exist, and I want to move the file which are inside this two file inside the new file, okay, the new directory. Move move this directory with name is AA to a directory which isn't exist by the name of BB. What this command actually do, this command will create a new directory and will move this to file, but it will not move this directory name as well, this directory too. It will send the content which are inside this directory, okay. Just hit the enter button and see. I will hit the enter button. See brothers, now open. You might note that why it did not send the directory AA. Where is the AA, okay. If you want to send the AA, for example, in this case, okay, if the directory isn't exist, it will move the data which are inside the directory into the new directory. But if the directory is exists, for example, mkdir.cc, this directory exists with us, okay. If I want to mv move bb to cc, in this case it will send complete the directory into cc directory. Hit the enter button and see. Now from this location you can also do ls cd cc, okay. Now you can see cc, and for now I'm in cc folder. Just ls, you see bb directory is completely moved here, okay. This is bb and this is the content which was inside in the cc directory. For today it's enough, okay, and the next video we will meet. If you like this video, if this video is helpful for you, please like, subscribe and write comment. Thanks for watching. Thanks.